Hey guys, welcome back to another Swift programming logic tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm going to be explaining how you can convert a struct to a JSON, so encoding into JSON. So yeah, thanks. Let me just create this project, and I'm just going to call it encoding to JSON. I might make another video on how to decode into JSON, but I think I made a few tutorials on that already, so I might not do that, but I'm pretty sure I haven't made one on encoding before. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm actually going to create my object. So if I go over here, let's just create a struct, and I'm just going to call this person. And now let's just have this inside. Let's have a name which can have type string. We can have age of type int, and we can also have let's just say gender of string. Okay, so once you have this, let's go into here and let's actually make our person. So let's just call this let person1 equals person, name, aria, age 100, gender male. So let's say this is our person. Now if we want to encode this into a JSON string, all we want to do, so let's say we want our result to be something like let me just create a result here. So let's say we want our result to be like we want it to be name, aria, age 100, and gender male. So this is what we want our result to look like. So now to do this, all we got to do is we got to make this person of type codable. I mean, technically if you only want to encode it, then you could just do it of type encodable, but you should usually just keep it as codable because you're probably going to want to decode it as well if you're going to encode it. So yeah, once you've done that, we need to create our encoder. So let's just do let encoder is equal to JSON encoder, nice and simple like that. And then what we can do is, it's actually quite easy. All you have to do is first create the data object. So it's just going to be encoder.encode and person1, and then let's actually create the string. So let JSON string is equal to string data, and we can set the encoder method to be of UTF-8. I mean, you could do UTF-16 or any other type, but UTF-8 is usually the most easy one. And we should also use a try method, as otherwise it could throw and then it's just going to break our system. I think we might have to implement do catch as well. Yeah, so we're going to have to try this, and I think if I just add a exclamation mark and build that should fix our issues. Okay, so once we've done that, let's just go here and let's just print our JSON string, and we should get something which is similar to this. Okay, just wait for this to load, and you can see we get this. So basically this is what we want. These backslash speech marks, basically just because we can't actually have a speech mark inside of a speech mark, so they just use backslashes to escape it, which allows us to have it. So what you want to do is just ignore this backslash, and then that's basically what we have over here. And yeah, that's basically it. So thanks for watching, and this is how you encode a struct into a JSON string. See you guys in a future tutorial. Bye.